swing back by. Today's going to be a little bit different. Instead of doing a huge shopping haul and honestly buying a bunch of stuff I really probably didn't need, I actually just took you along with me while I was in Target and just videoed a few things that were in the Target dollar spot that I thought you might be interested in. So anyway, yeah, let's get on into the shopping video. Hey, I just wanted to do a quick video of some of the things that they have in Target. This right here is awesome. It's $5. It says it's a display riser, but this would be perfect in your pantry for canned goods. Also, I'm talking quiet because I don't want people to look at me, but anyway, they have this storage organizer for $1. They have this style, and then they have this down here, which I actually bought the other day. You get 2 of these, which it's actually 4 pieces for $1, and then you get 4 of these shallow for $1. A few other things they have are these hair wraps. When you wash your hair, these are $3. They have them in that, and this looks like a Dalmatian print or black polka dot. You have a kid going to college and they're going to have a fridge in their dorm, mini fridge caddy. This is really neat if you have pegboard on one of your walls, like what's right here. These are actually storage containers with the pegboard hooks on them already. That's really neat. There's a canvas hanging organizer. A lot of great organizing things. They have these. This is the first one I've seen that's not dented. I guess it's a 4-piece set for $5. Here's some of this. This is a picnic set. And it is $5. They also have these candles that have different initials, which I have not been able to find one with an H on it. But yeah, they're $3 each. And these cute little calendar sets. It's a string kit. Comes with a string and the clothespins for $3. For your pictures, I've got some planners. There's some more candles. Storage. Got these little stackable containers. And they're $5, but they're shorter than you typically see. And they've got desk storage. What is this down here? This is cute. It's risers. It's a set of 3 risers. I'm gonna get that because that's cute. $5. For you teachers, some more risers. $5. I'm getting those. Here are those pegboards for those storage things. They have small little pegboards for $5. That's cute. More candles. These cute soap pumps for $3. They have it in black and blue. Lots of toys. Silicone body brush for $3. And they have these makeup brush washers. These are $3. And she just unwrapped these. It's called a decorative vessel for $5, and it's a wooden tray. Really cute. I have these for $3. I don't know what it is. Mat spray, yoga mat spray. I have these, what is this? Brush. It just says brush. There are a lot of people still over there, so I got a couple more things and walked off because I don't like talking in front of people. This glass jar is $5. They have this lid and they have a black lid. And I also found this riser in the natural wood. $5. Yeah, so as you can tell in the videos or the video clips that you saw, I was talking real low because I really, I don't like talking in front of people when people are around. I just feel like that's weird. So anyway, that is why I was talking so soft in some of those videos. But anyway, before we leave, I want to show you how I used one of the things that that I got from Target. So let's come over here to my coffee station, coffee bar. But in here, so I have these glass shelves for my coffee cups, and then this bottom space is where I used the kind of platform tray, the wooden platform tray. So yeah, now it displays my coffee cups a lot better. So pretty cool, huh? Anyway, thanks so much for stopping by. I hope you have a great day. Don't forget, if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing to my channel. And don't forget to click the like button and also leave a comment below. Tell me what you think you might get at Target Dollar Spot. Anyway, hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.